So there was a guy, his name was Venkat, and Venkat went to the bar with his friends, and it was, of course, since he went after a long time, they started talking a lot and then drinking one glass, two glass, pegs, and all that, right? They kept on doing that, and completely intoxicant by evening. And suddenly, Venkat sees the watch and it's 8 p.m. He gets scared. My God, 8 p.m. So one of his friends says, "What happened?" So what? 8 p.m. So he said, "No, no, no, I have to go home." So one of his friend jokes, "Oh, I know why you are saying so. I'm sure you are scared of your wife. She's waiting for you, and that's why you are saying that it's 8 p.m. I have to go." Are you a man or a mouse? How can you get scared of your wife? So he says that, see, I can prove, even if I'm mouse, even if I am mouse, I can prove that I am strong. He said, how come? The only thing that my wife gets scared of is mouse. So even if you say me mouse, I'm still powerful. So he moves on and he says, no, no, I'm not going to stay. I'm leaving. And he leaves. Of course, he's intoxicant. He's completely doing all the work and he's somehow wavering. And finally he reaches at his door and sees his wife sitting on the threshold. So she's sitting with her roller pin, Balin. Yeah, she's sitting with a roller pin and she's a bit fat. So as the almost she has covered the whole door, and she stared very aggressively at him. And what the hell is this the time? Is this the time to come? And then he of course got scared. He's a very thin and athletic guy. He gets a bit scared and he said, no, 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 actually, you don't know. It's been a long time. My friends, I was saying them that it's so important for me to go at time, but my friends were not allowing. So please, I'm really sorry for today. So she said, so she suddenly realized that he is also drunk. She said, what the hell? You have, you are coming late and that too come in this state. So I'm not going to allow you. I'm going to beat you hard. And she just wakes up and she comes to beat him. And this guy, being athletic, he jumps on top of her and goes inside, goes inside the home. And she runs. So it's like a circus, Tom and Jerry. She's running behind him, and he's running from here and there. He jumps on the sofa, sometimes on the right, sometimes on the left. But he makes sure she doesn't catch him. And finally, he runs very fast and just goes in his bedroom. And what he does is he goes below the cot, so below the bed. He goes below, takes one pillow, and just sleeps below the cot. So his wife somehow comes there and she says, "What the hell, Venkat? Are you a mouse? Why you are sitting below the cot? Come out! Why you are sleeping there?" So he's very comfortable there. He knows that due to her weight, she cannot kneel down. She cannot come below the cot. So he's very comfortable, and he says, "Hey, don't you know who is the man of the house? I am the man of the house, and I can do whatever I want. I'm free to do whatever I want." Now just think about it. This is. Do you think he can be in any other state? Can he be in any other place? No, right? Can he be? अगर वो कहीं पे भी और होगा तो उसे कितनी पिटाई होगी सोचो. So somewhere, you know, our life has become like that, right? So we don't think over it. I don't know if some of you might be lucky, but most of the time we are doing things due to society pressure. You're doing things because somebody else is doing, because I have to earn money and all those things, right? So there is some reason. So freedom is not about doing anything by default, right? Freedom is all about choice, isn't it? Given a choice, how many want to live the life that you're living now, right? Given a choice, let's say if you are given a life like any other successful guy whom you might be admiring, right? Why would not you be wanting to live that life, right? So does that happen? I'll take some questions. Does that happen कि हम लोग एक situation में फंसे हुए हैं, we are stuck in a situation, and sometimes we even start liking it. We don't have, we say okay, this is fine, I'm earning money and everything is okay, right? So I'm free, I'm a free guy. So how many of you are free? My question again,
Not
right?
free.
So somewhere you see that the example of wife is all around our life, in the form of boss, in the form of choices that we have made, right? Maybe it's a default or shadow choice that we took from our friend or someone else, right, who's not even aware of what he's doing, right? I have almost 17 years of experience in IT, and trust me, I have never did anything on my own. I did BCA because my friend was doing it. I did MCA, I did MSc IT, and so many things I did because my friend was doing it. I never thought that I did some courses from Stanford and other places again because I saw some friends doing it. I thought they are doing it, let me do that. I never planned it. So how can that be called a freedom, right? And so the moment when we talk about all the aspiration list, dream list, I don't know how many of you now have dream list. Can you raise your hand? Okay. See, so this is a place where people are still creating dream list, right? And your coach will be after you every second week, third week. He will tell you write down your dream list, right? And you just have to work with them until unless you know where you're going. How would you know what is freedom? Most of the time, we are so stuck in our box, we don't even think what is freedom, right? I was amazed too. I don't know if you saw that post by Sushant. I not by Sushant Singh. I posted it. The 50 dreams of Sushant Singh Rajput. Did you see that in the book club group? I had posted it. I was surprised. He was such a crazy guy, and maybe I would have thought he's a crazy guy before being part of PM and book club, but now it's normal. He has 50 dreams. I have 75 dreams. I have 75 dreams, and many of those are matching what he has written, right? You should see sometimes Vartika's dreams. He has such amazing dreams. You should see Ashish's dreams, Ashish Chauhan, Ashish Khatri's, right? Sunanda's dream that are amazing. She has created a book out of her dreams, right? It's a big book which she got printed, physically printed, and she pressurizes me sometimes by showing it. These are the things I'm looking for. But good thing is at least we have something to see, right? We know this is the freedom. There's a very good quote by Jim Rohn. I always quote that don't work too hard in your job that you don't get chance to work hard on yourself, right? If we work hard on ourselves, job will easily be taken care of. But challenge is we are not able to work hard on ourselves. We don't know how to manage people. We don't know how to manage stakeholders. We don't know how to manage customers. We don't know how to manage my team. Of course, we are doing at our levels, staying under the cot and doing our best. We'll have to get out of that cot, right? And I think that's where it is going to help. Yeah, that's what I didn't want you to make it that serious. I thought it's a funny story, and I wanted to drive out this message also. Does that make sense? Any questions, any doubts?
Yes, totally
Yeah,
makes sense.
Totally
great.
agree.
Definitely, Vineet.
It's also good. But idea is you work on yourself here. Somehow take out time for yourself. Until unless you do whatever you want to do, but that 1 hour should be for you. It should be your me time, right? If that
Agree.
1 hour I'm not going to give to anyone. No company, no boss, no, even don't give it to your spouse also. That 1 hour is only for you, right? No, don't give it to your children also if you have children, right? So some people who have not spoken, maybe Anjali, Jayant, do you want to add anything?
I liked all the speeches. All the speakers really spoke very well today, and I have got some really nice points to think upon, and I have got really nice books to go back and read. I've read few of the books. I have read Rich Dad Poor Dad, but then at that time, it was like 5 years back. I didn't have this frame of mind. Now I can go back, like read all this, and with a new thinking I can get many more tips for myself and my growth. So
Awesome.
that's really
Absolutely. Very nice. Anyone else who want to add anything? Somebody who has not spoken?
I think everybody spoke and presented pretty well today.
The story that you delivered in the last, Vineet, it is connecting to, I think, each of us, and specifically to me, uh, that I have to spend at least, specified half an hour, 1 hour on myself, apart from my job or from my personal life. So that is a good, conclusion and very message. And I think it is somehow everybody should spend the time on himself or herself.
Very
A
nice.
really good message.
Very nice, Hemant. Great, and I think we all are learning it, and we all are trying to go there. So great, good to hear that. It's not easy to say that even I am facing that challenge. That's very brave.